Administration of oath or affirmation. Sachida Nand.
I, Sachida Nand, swear that as a Member of Parliament of Fiji, I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Fiji, and that I will obey, observe, uphold, and maintain the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji and all other laws of Fiji. And I solemnly and sincerely promise that I will defend the rule of law and the rights of the people, and will act with integrity and diligently carry out my responsibilities in accordance with the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji and the law. So help me God. I, Sachida Nand, swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Fiji according to the law, and I will obey, observe, uphold, and maintain the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji. So help me God.
Congratulations. Congratulations, Honourable Member, and welcome to Parliament. Honourable Members, I now invite the Honourable Sachida Nand to deliver his maiden speech. You have the floor.
The Honourable Speaker, the Honourable Prime Minister, the Honourable Attorney General, Honourable Ministers and Assistant Ministers, Honourable Leader of Opposition, Honourable Members of Parliament, and the people of Fiji. A very good morning to you all. Firstly, I would like to thank the Almighty Perumal for giving me an opportunity to be part of the 51 members of this team. May His divine guidance and blessing be on the proceedings of this August Parliament. Secondly, I would like to thank my family for their continuous support in my endeavours. My wife Sunita, my son Anirudh, and my daughter Sheska have been my three main pillars on which my professional and political aspirations have been based upon. They have always actively supported me and continue to support me through my ups and downs. I am very grateful for their support, and without them I would not be where I am today. Thank you very much. Thirdly, I would like to sincerely acknowledge and appreciate the support of my friends and well-wishers. They continue to believe in me, and their support never dwindled. Thank you very much to them also. It is an honor and a privilege to be part of this August Parliament and represent the people of Fiji. I'm not a seasoned politician. I come humbly as a person who is not perfect, but learns from his mistakes. A person who has had his fair share of ups and downs. However, I'm also a person who knows how to pick himself up and press ahead. A person who has spent a considerable time with people be it in the agricultural sector or in the small and medium enterprises through my association with other businesses or as a businessman myself. COVID-19 pandemic, its impact on the people, the business community and the society at large has been challenging. However, the Fiji First government is forging ahead, putting Fiji and its people first. While I stand here supporting all sectors in Fiji, there are two sectors that hold dear to my heart. These are the agricultural sector and the small and medium enterprises. The agricultural sector. Fiji traditionally has been, is, and will continue to depend on the agricultural sector as a source of livelihood. Whilst due credit is given to all the other sectors, agricultural sector is what keeps us, especially the rural community, ticking. This sector plays an important role in developing and supporting the economy. All countries which are not industrial countries have a major focus on the agricultural sector. Our Fiji is no exception. Increased productivity and output in the agricultural sector will contribute significantly to the overall economy and prosperity of this country. The agricultural sector continues to provide food to the people. Not all that we eat is imported. It continues to provide significant employment in the rural, peri-urban, and to some extent the urban areas. We have continued to earn valuable foreign exchange through our agricultural exports. We are far from being a perfect agricultural community. However, it does not mean we cannot try to assist our farmers in heading in the right direction. It is an honor to be associated with a government that has continued to invest in the agricultural sector. In the 2021-2022 budget, the Ministry of Agriculture has been allocated $61.9 million. All possible segments have been looked into, be it livestock, crops, or extension. The government, through its budget, continues to fund institutions such as Agricultural Marketing Authority to continue to create an agricultural business enabling environment. Our farmers should take full advantage of all these provisions, and let's all together move a notch up. The government cannot do it alone. The agricultural officers and support staff cannot do it alone. The farmers cannot do it alone. It has to be a holistic approach, and that's exactly what the Fiji First government is continuing to do so. The small and medium enterprises. The small and medium enterprises are the worst affected during the COVID-19 pandemic. This sector has been noted to provide a significant contribution to the GDP of the country. A number have either closed or downsized. This sector needs support to rehabilitate and bounce back. They have done it before, and they will do it again. In recognizing their steadfastness, the government in its 2021-22 budget has allocated significant resources for the SMEs to rehabilitate. Let's make full use of this opportunity. Businesses are slowly but surely opening up. The economy is churning, and if we all work together, we can hit the ground running hard in no time. The 2021-22 budget provides that it proves that the government continues to endeavor for Fiji's economic growth. Even in one of the most pressing times, it has dished out one of the best budgets Fiji has ever seen. It has provided for all, across all sectors. Let's make full use of it. I'm new in Parliament, and I do come with an open mind. This is the time we, in this Parliament, should all work together in rebuilding the economy and give all Fijians the best possible opportunity for economic growth and prosperity. Let us have constructive discussions. Let us not argue for the sake of arguing. Let us not set up into cheap political point scoring. Let's put our people first. Let's put Fiji first, and our country will prosper. Isn't that what we all want? It's time the opposition needs to work with the government in order to put our people first. This is what I would like to work towards, and that's what I am looking forward to doing in this August Parliament. God bless Fiji. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Honourable Member.